Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your claims process with Travelers easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your claims process with Travelers, start by gathering your claim information. Make sure you have your claim number handy. Visit the official Travelers website. Click on the Claims section located in the main menu. Select Manage your claim from the drop-down options. You will be prompted to log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to your claims dashboard. Locate the claim you wish to reset. Click on the claim to view its details. Look for the Reset Claim Process option. Click on that option to initiate the reset. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to reset the claim process. You may be asked to provide a reason for the reset. Fill in the required fields as accurately as possible. After submitting your reason, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Click Submit to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message once the claim reset is complete. Check your email for further instructions or updates regarding your claim. If you encounter any issues, use the customer service contact information provided on the website. Your new claims process will now be ready to handle your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.